It's always a learning experience. I just learned some good tips from one of our best students. She's taking her with test tomorrow. She gave me a tip that caught my attention. She's saying that the best thing to do is to get you a nice pair of shoes that you've been doing the lesson in, and keep using that shoes until you pass your license. That's a good one. I haven't seen it that way, because reason why, experience shows that the shoes the student wearing get comfortable in, when they tend to change that shoes, they deliver a different way. But she's absolutely right. I said, you know what, this is good. I need to record that. That's something I need to keep and share with my viewer. Coming from the student herself, I can summon it any better. That's a very great piece of advice. As she's driving right now, doing a last lesson in the package with tests tomorrow. I'm 99% she's gonna pass, because the reason I cannot put it 100% because human are giving the test. You know, we cannot never put it 100%, because depending on how the test goes down, because it's being graded by human, anything can go on. But in terms of ready, she is more than ready to take a road test and pass. As you can see, I'm recording while I'm giving the lesson. That's how comfortable I am in the car. We're making a left turn at the traffic light coming up. See, very good. You see how she's checking her shoulder? That's what's up. There we go. Couldn't get any better than that. And by herself, she's going over to her right lane, because student must always be on the right side of the traffic. Okay, we're gonna keep straight from here. Yes, I'm just waiting for a light. When she gets to a light, she can share that tips with us. Then I will end it there, because I don't want you to just hear it from my mouth. I want you to hear it from the student mouth herself. But the traffic is moving very good here, and we are here in New York City, in Brooklyn area to be precise. And the street we're driving on now is King's Highway, I believe. Yes, she is driving on King's Highway, one of the busiest streets in New York City. You don't want to be in at a rush hour, but she got this. Barely have to come in and help. Big time comfortable here. It's like we're hanging out here today. But it's a lesson. She could have still talked while she was driving, but I didn't want to distract her. You want to share with us real quick the tips that you just gave me?
The tip that I just gave is find a shoes that's very comfortable, very breathable, and use that throughout your lessons until the day of the road test, because that way your feet is already adjusted to the pedals in that shoes, so that you're a little bit more comfortable.
Thank you so much. As you guys can see, she's talking, paying attention to traffic, and test is tomorrow. She couldn't get any better than that. All right, guys, you hear it from the student herself. Nobody can bear testimony, can tell you that better than the student who's about to take a test tomorrow, give you the tips that she found to be helpful for her throughout the whole lesson. If you have any question and comment, please post it in the comment section below. I will get back to them as soon as I'm able. Thanks.